The crime of assault happens whether you touch someone or whether you don't touch someone. You can touch someone, obviously punching someone is an assault. But if someone feels that they're about to be punched, that's also an assault. In Washington State, we don't have the charge of battery, so we just have assault, and there's two kinds of assault. There's the touching and the non-touching. The different levels of injury that you cause escalates that assault up to different levels of felonies and misdemeanors. You climb up the seriousness level based on the kind of injury you impact on the person. The other kind of assault is where there's no touching, where you make someone feel that they're about to be touched in a way that causes an injury. That kind of assault can be escalated or charged at a higher level depending on what you have in your hands or what kind of weapon you're using. If it's just your hands, then it's just an assault 4. It's a gross misdemeanor. If you have more dangerous and more serious weapons, it climbs up the seriousness level to higher and higher felonies. The consequences for an assault charge can range from simple probation and a dismissal at the end of that probation period to prison, to many, many years, decades sometimes in prison. Self-defense in an assault case in Washington State is a great defense. It's very effective, and if we are effective and the jury awards us, we can even get monetary rewards and punish the prosecutor back for bringing a wrongful charge. One of the questions that people have in assault cases is whether they had to leave the scene or whether they could stay. And that's often referred to as stand your ground or John Wayne state. And in Washington, the law specifically addresses that. And we love talking to people about that. It's a difficult question to address. And we prefer to talk to people individually, and we want people to call us about that. You can stand your ground in Washington state, but there's exceptions to that. So we need to talk to them individually.